how to find the starting common running of fridge compressor. Now, all we have to do here, guys, is we're going to locate the highest reading. Now, take a look. Okay, I got 24.8 ohms. And next, the lower, and I got 16.3 ohms. Lower and the left upper, 8.6. This is the highest reading. Now, the opposite of these two is this one. Therefore, this one is the common terminal. The second highest, guys, is this terminal and this terminal. Therefore, this is our starting. And the lowest reading is this terminal and this terminal. Therefore, this is our running. Ngayon at nahanap natin ang common running at starting terminal ng compressor na ito. Ituturo ko naman sa inyo paano mag-jerk o direct gamit ang dalawang terminal lang. Okay? So, ito yung AC plug natin. Dinutungan ko lang ito. Itong isang wire na ito ilagay natin sa common terminal. Ayan. At ang running natin is ito ang running natin. Ito, magkadugtong to. Ilagay natin sa running. Ayan. Tapos ito, lagay sa starting. Okay? Tingnan nyo ba paano ginagawa, ha? Saksak natin. Ayan. Didikit ko na ito at i-on ko to. Pagka-on ko nito, ayan, didikit ko na ito sa starting. Pagka-switch ko nito, bibitawan ko siya. Okay? Tignan nyo. Haandar ito, ha? Okay, nakadikit na. Okay, saka bibitawan ko. Tignan nyo. Meron na tayong suction saka. Ayan. So, huwag mong hawakan to. Huwag mong hawakan ito. Dangerous. Okay. Ganun lang mag-direct o mag-jerk ng compressor.